Here I've got Huawei GX8 and let me show you how to activate the timer and camera on the following device. So at first let's open the camera app. And then once you are in photo, click on the settings icon right here. And now go to timer. Just click here and now select the period of time after which you would like the picture to be taken. So let me choose 5 seconds. And as you can see from now on, the photo will be captured after 5 seconds. You can see the countdown here. And here it is. Obviously you can switch it off to 2 seconds or 10 seconds. Here's the timer, so you can pick also 10 or 2 seconds, or you can permanently switch it off then. And now it will be taken right after the click, as you can see and as you can also hear. So that would be all. So you can activate timer in your camera. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.